a secret, and I'm gonna tell you. In a nutshell, this is what I learned in my first 6 months of trading SPX. SPX and NDX, they are very, very expensive if you are a brand new trader. But guess what? I got a trick for you. When it comes to SPX, I've never really done NDX in the afternoon, but contracts get a lot cheaper if you can wait until the 3 o'clock hour. Mainly because theta, which is one of our Greeks, eats away at, contracts. And it also decreases the price of contracts. The closer we get to that closing, the cheaper those contracts get. Now, the way you can get a lot of money, a lot of bang for your buck, and a higher percentage with SPX, you need to get the contracts that are like 2 strike prices, 3 strike prices away from the money. Yeah, you could go upwards of 7 or 10, but those that are real close are nice. And guess when those show up? The ones that a small account can afford. From 3 to 4. Now, here's the thing. From 3 to 4, that volatility is a beast. Setup, it can't get no better than that. If you don't see that, you might want to wait power hour out, because power hour will turn you every which way but loose if you are new to trade. A+ setup is a reversal. But one of the things that led up to this reversal that really helps you is if there is heavy consolidation, and it just sat there for a little bit, and then all of a sudden there was that breakout, fake out, and then doo-doo the other way. That's what you want to get in on, because then it is going to push in the correct direction. Another time that's a really good setup that may not, land you in that last hour, but you might still be able to get some affordability the hour before, is swing high and swing low trading. So when you see that wick that goes up, well, actually it's a candle that shoots up with volume and then it drops real quick and it forms that nice long wick above everything else. Watch that. Watch that. Same thing for the downside. She does on the downside too. Yeah, watch that. Okay, so one of the things that I used to do is I would play break and holds. If you break and hold, I'm good. Break and hold, I'm good. But guess what? When you're a newbie trader or you're sitting there babysitting your phone all day, break and hold plays where you break a level and then you hold and then you inch up little by little by little by little. It's going to stress you out. It stressed me out in my first 6 months. So I found out, actually after having my one-on-one with Rico's Way, reversals are more of my forte. Because I'm not sitting there waiting for the price to eventually get there, turtling in a direction. When that reversal hits, it goes full force, and I love it. I'm also a strat soldier, so I love the strat. So typically, price is going to activate, over my previous candle high, whether it's on the hour or the 4 hour or the 12 hour, whatever, right? It goes over that candle, it shoots up, it wicks, and then it, doesn't hold and it drops. Perfect momentum for me to get in. Vice versa, same thing. They want to sweep the low. It's letting me know, all right, we broke beneath that other previous candle, but it only wicked, and now we're moving upwards. It's letting me know, showtime at the Apollo. So, if you combine all of these things, you can really make good percentages on SPX. I literally just told you how to do it. And don't believe me, paper trade it. Try for a week. What's the most you can? It's a paper trade. What you gonna lose? Nothing. So wait for 2 to 4, preferably 3. Get in the money or on the money contract. 1 or 2 of those. They'll be cheaper. They'll be like $60, $70, $50, something like that. Make sure that your perfect setup is on the board. Not just you jumping in, but an actual reversal. Okay, or an actual break of a trend or a formation, okay, after the liquidity has been swept, okay, and then go get your money, honey. Ooh, I cannot forget, I am a byproduct of Love K. If you really want to get in depth, she teaches a 3-hour course on how to master SPX. I wouldn't recommend nobody but her. Ever since I took her class, my entire thing has changed. And this video is not all that you get. Because, baby, how would I be able to break it down in a couple of minutes what she does in 3 hours? Exactly. So, definitely check out Love K. You'll be glad you did.